Stress is often described as a silent killer, a term that underscores its insidious nature and the profound impact it can have on our health, particularly our lungs. In a world where the air we breathe is increasingly compromised by pollution and the pressures of modern life, recognizing the connection between stress and lung health is essential. Chronic stress can lead to a cascade of physiological responses that not only affect our mental well-being, but also manifest physically, particularly in respiratory health. The statistics are alarming. The World Health Organization estimates that over 90% of the global population inhales polluted air daily. This environmental stressor, compounded by the everyday stresses of life, creates a perfect storm for lung-related issues. When we experience stress, our body enters a heightened state of alertness, often referred to as the fight-or-flight response. This reaction triggers a variety of changes, including increased heart rate, elevated blood pressure, and rapid, shallow breathing. While these responses are useful in acute situations, chronic stress leads to persistent inflammation in the lungs, making it harder to breathe and increasing susceptibility to respiratory diseases like asthma, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD, and even lung cancer. The cycle continues as stress promotes shallow breathing, which further exacerbates feelings of anxiety and discomfort, leading to even more stress. It becomes crucial, then, to find effective ways to break this cycle. And fortunately, nature offers us a wealth of resources to do just that. One of the most accessible and impactful ways to combat stress is through deep breathing exercises. These techniques are not only simple, but also profoundly effective at calming the nervous system and reducing stress. By deliberately slowing our breath and focusing on the rhythm of inhalation and exhalation, we can create a sense of tranquility that translates into improved lung function. The act of deep breathing encourages full oxygen exchange, which is vital for overall health. As we breathe deeply, we engage our diaphragm, allowing for a more efficient distribution of oxygen throughout our bodies. This not only calms the mind, but also promotes better lung health as it encourages deeper, more restorative breaths. In addition to deep breathing, herbal remedies present another avenue for stress relief and lung health support. Adaptogenic herbs, such as ashwagandha and ginseng, are known for their ability to help the body adapt to stress and promote resilience. These herbs can play a significant role in reducing the physiological impacts of stress on the body, including the lungs. Similarly, herbs like peppermint and eucalyptus have been used for generations to relieve respiratory discomfort. Their natural properties can help open up airways, making breathing easier and more comfortable. Incorporating these herbs into our daily routines, whether through teas, supplements, or essential oils, can provide a gentle yet effective way to support lung health while alleviating stress. Mindfulness practices, including meditation and yoga, also play a crucial role in stress reduction. These practices help cultivate a sense of awareness and presence, allowing us to step back from the chaos of daily life and reconnect with our bodies. Meditation, in particular, has been shown to reduce anxiety and promote emotional well-being, which can have a direct positive impact on lung health. By fostering a calm state of mind, we can mitigate the effects of stress on our respiratory system. Yoga, with its emphasis on breath control and physical movement, not only enhances flexibility and strength, but also encourages deeper, more conscious breathing patterns. This combination of physical and mental wellness makes yoga a powerful ally in the quest for lung health. Among the various techniques available, one method that stands out for its simplicity and effectiveness is diaphragmatic breathing. This technique engages the diaphragm, a dome-shaped muscle located beneath the lungs, which plays a crucial role in the breathing process. By focusing on diaphragmatic breathing, we can significantly increase the oxygenation of our blood while simultaneously reducing stress levels. The beauty of this technique lies in its accessibility. It can be practiced anywhere, at any time, making it a perfect tool for those seeking to improve their lung health and manage stress. To practice diaphragmatic breathing, start by finding a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Place one hand on your belly and the other on your chest. As you inhale deeply through your nose, focus on expanding your belly while keeping your chest relatively still. This ensures that you are engaging your diaphragm and drawing air deep into your lungs. As you exhale slowly through your mouth, feel your belly fall. This method not only promotes relaxation, but also enhances lung capacity and efficiency. With regular practice, diaphragmatic breathing can become a natural part of your daily routine, providing immediate stress relief and long-term benefits for lung health. Integrating diaphragmatic breathing with other natural stress-relieving techniques creates a powerful synergy. Imagine starting your day with a few minutes of deep, intentional breaths, followed by a warm cup of herbal tea, perhaps infused with calming ashwagandha or invigorating eucalyptus. You might then engage in a short mindfulness meditation or yoga session, allowing your mind and body to harmonize before facing the day's challenges. This holistic approach not only nurtures your lungs, but also fosters a sense of overall well-being that can carry you through stressful moments. As we navigate the complexities of modern life, it's essential to prioritize our lung health and recognize the profound impact that stress can have on our respiratory system. By embracing natural stress relievers, we can take proactive steps toward healing our lungs and enhancing our quality of life. Whether it's through deep breathing exercises, herbal remedies, mindfulness practices, or the transformative power of diaphragmatic breathing, each technique contributes to a more resilient and healthier body. In conclusion, the journey to better lung health is intertwined with our ability to manage stress effectively. Stress, often underestimated as a silent killer, can have far-reaching effects on our respiratory health. By exploring and implementing natural stress relief techniques, we can combat the negative impacts of stress on our lungs and overall well-being. Remember, our lungs are vital organs that deserve care and attention, and by nurturing them with these natural methods, we can pave the way for a healthier future. As you embark on this journey toward improved lung health, I encourage you to experiment with different techniques and find what resonates with you. Perhaps you have a favorite stress relief practice or a particular herbal remedy that has worked wonders for you. Sharing these experiences not only enriches our understanding, but also fosters a supportive community focused on healing and wellness. If you're curious to learn more about natural health and wellness, I invite you to stay connected and explore future discussions that delve deeper into this essential topic. Together, we can navigate the path to a healthier, more balanced life, one breath at a time. Subscribe, like, and share. Let's spread health to everyone. Thank you for watching.